Morning part-timers, it is the opening weekend, the turkey season here in Florida. Got my man Brody over there. This be your first shot at Osceola?
No sir, I've shot 2 Osceola.
Oh, killed 2 out, never mind. My man's a big turkey hunter, but he's from Georgia, so I didn't know if he'd been into the Osceola world yet or not. But anyway, we're about to get after him. It's 6:20, so we got a little bit of time. We're gonna sneak in a little spot. We've been listening to him. Brody, you ready?
I'm ready, buddy.
My man says he's ready to go. We're gonna get situated and get after him. Y'all stay tuned.
Part-timers, from a hunting standpoint, applies to everybody. Whether you're a deer hunter, duck hunter, elk hunter, turkey hunter, nobody gets to do it full time. I mean, we would love to, but we can't.
Great time. Yeah, so Brody and I set up this morning. Thought we had some birds in here, and anyway, they ended up gobbling. Came up pretty close that first time. That time, we both of us like, man, I hear him spitting right there, but it never came in for whatever reason. Yep. And it kind of moved back and he came in. What you think, Brody?
I seen him slipping in there, boy. I said, uh-oh. That's it right there.
Brody saw him first. He said, man, I can see him coming. I was like, man, where's he? He's like, he's coming from the left. I can finally see him. Brody was
Red head.
Man,
Man, that was awesome, man. We still got birds over here gobbling, man. They are on fire this morning.
yeah. He jumped on him for a while. That's what you talking about, them Osceola, them old broken wings right there.
Strutting it up, boy.
Yeah, all them bands are gone. Yes, sir. Well, congratulations, bro.
I appreciate you, man. Thank you very
I
much.
sure enjoyed sharing the blind with you.
Yes, sir.
It's always fun to go with somebody, get to meet them and all that.
Absolutely, man. Yep.
Especially when you knew what you were doing. But I got to run the camera, which was just fun.
I hear you.
Man, so we're gonna load this thing back up and go put him on the bragging pole back at the lodge.
You're docked. Get your head down on the gun. Put it on his head. Pull the trigger. You got him, son. Go get him.